1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Welcome everybody. This is Pyramid Games speaking. My name is Lucas and this is Michael. So this is the QA team and one of two main developers in Occupy Mars. Let us know if everything is fine. Can you hear us? Can you see us? Can you listen to the game? Yeah. Yeah, that's us.
Yeah,
hello,
that's Pyro asking for the keys.
Okay, cool. If we need to change anything, just let us know. So yeah, happy to see you today. We have some news for you, some small changes, but maybe in following days we'll be able to share more important news with you. We'll see what happens. I have a small. I'm cheating now because I have info from devs. What should I say today? And Michael knows also some things.
I don't think there's much changes since last build, to be honest.
But
and visible changes, but
because it's like it looks like we do nothing. It's not true. We work very hard. We have like specific plan to do a specific timeline that we want to, fulfill. And although we may not share updates with you, because I see Orca Query, you are asking for more updates. This is rather a question for Michael, but there is lots of changes. The design team is working very, very hard.
Yeah, soon there should be some hotfixes to generating map.
But
it will be more optimized.
The build that we are testing today doesn't have dancing rocks. And
I'm not sure about it. I'm not fixing that.
I haven't met that. Okay, guys. So let's a question about pizza. I don't know anything about that.
There will be.
There will be probably because our CEO knows that if you see that there is the pizza, everything is fine. There is no pizza. It means that something wrong with the company.
Well, okay. Pizza guy was too late.
Multi-language will be available too. The game will be available in many languages. We want to
at least those that are in Pro already.
Yeah.
And we still don't know how much it will be finally. But
Technically adding another language is not a problem because we have a very smart system of
right now it's just the problem of translators translate the game.
Exactly, and
sending them.
Because we don't want to translate that in Google Translate because it's lame. There will be Pizza Loco, and I hope maybe in the early access we will have dishes and possibility to bake pizza. Okay, cool guys. Let's switch to the game. Today we have this one.
That wasn't the question of the language.
Which question?
This was how big pizza was.
How big pizza was? I don't know, but it's a very cool pizza. It's a Napolitan pizza. Baked in 500 Celsius degrees, so it's guys, it's awesome, totally.
Okay, maybe we can start the game.
What we have a nice talk, we have a nice chit chat. No, okay. Can be a community translation. Technically, is it? Could be. I don't know.
It's not possible right now, so you can't put the files right now, but I think we can enable the option for that.
Yeah, okay, that's a cool idea because sometimes the funny thing is that we also start from the basic translation. The basic language of the game is not Polish because we are Polish, but the basic language of the game is English, and it's then translated into Polish. So I think it shouldn't be a problem if there is a fan who wants to create a translation. Crowding, you mean crowdfunding, right? I don't know.
No funding like crowding, so the player can change the translation and fix the.
I think that should be possible. As Michael said, we could add that because we know that.
Don't misclick here.
Don't what?
Don't misclick here. You can open campaign.
Okay, no campaign.
Just to say.
You can click that? You can.
Okay. I think it's in this book it's not available.
Okay.
Usually so,
let's start the free play. We make it a bit easier today because we still want to show certain things. No Madman mode. Not today. Last time we had the Madman mode. My DMS should be opened. Tell me if they not. I'm not sure if I understand that. The translations for the campaign, so we can translate it. So this is exactly the same question about, as Necro said, translation platform. In chat, I'm not sure if I can do that because we have bot there. I summoned the technical support. If you hear me, guys, I hope somebody check if everything is fine here. Okay, guys, I have chosen the Gusev crater. I like this starting location. And let's see what we have. Well, not Endeavor, sorry. Misclick. Yeah, Gusev. Start. Transporter. Hello, guy. I'm nice to hear that. Okay, the first thing, there is updated intro. What have we changed?
We will see. I'm not sure if music is already there, but
okay.
Since I mostly play on the muted version of the game.
Me too, guys. I'm like I'm the person who watches streams, he listens to the actual plays from roleplay sessions and other things during playing games.
Packs related to music, to sounds.
Yeah, I know.
You need to check them.
No, I don't do that. You know, there is last time actually on the Dino stream we've been talking about that with Piotrek Szulakowski, and there is a person in the QA team make a game a bit louder. Yeah, I think I could.
I think it's muted in the game settings.
Oops. Okay, I can do that now. Oh, on the Discord. Okay, I will check that. So the updated animation here.
There was this monitor upstairs that shows the landing. And I think the flames there are changed a bit.
New flames. Okay, guys, a question for you, because we had a discussion about that, because actually there is not too much oxygen on Mars. And we had like a scientific discussion about, okay, so if there's no oxygen, the traditional explosives from the Earth shouldn't work too good, because they need actually oxygen to work. And we discussed that you can use magnesium basis explosives, but it looks different, or we can assume that as actually our explosives are.
Can you look around the capsule? I'm not sure. Okay, it's not updated yet.
Not what's not updated?
Updated the capsule. Because in the cinematic you have updated capsule that looks a bit different, and here is the old one.
But I see the new animation here.
I think you have turned off the UI. Probably someone was playing here with the UI turned off. Okay, but step after step. Or Conrad was making screens.
Yeah, he could have done that. Interface. Yeah, we were switching that off because we were showing the dying Martian here. Yeah, that's the case.
Okay,
yeah, we can switch that off.
This information for now.
What?
Yeah, there is still a problem with this raycast that sometimes break the picking up the item. We plan to roll with the camera, but it's still a long time to go, I think. And this one is
that's problem.
Needs to fix. I think we will change it so if you can't reach the place, it's still open, just not play animation of opening.
Okay. Where are the cables that were on the right on the capsule door? It's a different model. It's changed a bit. I suppose it should be changed.
I think it depends on the starting.
Okay, that may be too.
Sometimes there are cables there, sometimes not.
Okay, but going back to the sounds, as you know, there is a proverb in Polish that an elephant took a step on my ear, so meaning that I don't have too much, too good. Okay, there is a person in the QA team, Aneta. She's like very good with that. She hears everything. Like guys, she literally, she's the best in that. Also with colors, with graphic bugs. She's good not only in that, but she's much better in that than the rest of the testers. So yeah, that's the case. Okay, and probably you can hear that we have a few things there, like hanging in the air.
It's the big vehicle, so.
Okay. Whoa!
It hit you.
Yeah.
Oh, and I see there is a problem.
So, okay.
I think there is actually task for that right now. So
yeah.
when your hair was inside.
Ouch. Yeah, exactly. But that bug has been fixed, and it's back. So I need to.
I think somebody. It's when someone changed something with the player model. It's going back sometimes.
Yeah. Okay. We haven't changed the profile. Bad developers. Okay. Going back here. Now we need to equip the spectral. Okay, we need to make some space in our inventory.
See, on tourist you have just too much stuff.
It should be here by the default.
There shouldn't be any stuff.
I told you, it should be here. Guys, what do you prefer? Less stuff? Yeah, yeah, exactly. Cerber's right. Yeah, because there is another discussion about how much stuff should person have at the beginning. So we are telling somebody wants to have be like white Anglo-Saxon Protestant in United States, have very easy start, right? And wants more things here.
We think about just changing a bit values of that we need to for building.
Mm-hmm.
But yeah. Is there going to be VR? I hope so, but not planned right now. I would love to play Mars in VR, but for now it's too big of a change. I was testing actually playing the game in VR, just running around the scene, and nothing was working there, and it was looking amazing.
Although in the editor and like
no, I need to do it in the build since the FPS problems in the VR. VR needs to be really optimized for that. And that was another problem. That was near the Pro builds, and there was a problem there.
So technically speaking, it's not.
There was a frame dropping in the. I'm not sure if there is right now in the game, but there was sometimes frame dropping, and you have the problem that in the left eye you see normally, and in the right eye you just stop the frame. Sometimes.
Okay. So admit, have you puked or not?
Not really.
Not nausea.
I played Skyrim in VR, so it's.
So you have played the best game ever, guys.
So if you guys don't know, when you're starting a VR game in Skyrim and you don't change any settings, you get physics problems and those starting. What is it?
Nausea.
It just physics go crazy and you don't see anything there.
Okay. and you puke then.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, guys. We first. Do we want to start the base now or? or have some fun with the upgraded?
I don't know. It's your choice right now.
Okay, so first
I think
have
we
fun.
can look to the explosive tool again. There wasn't much. There was some time since we were
we have an
checking
info,
explosions, and right now everything should work.
Dark Spyro has the birthday. Happy birthday to Dark Spyro. Happy birthday to you.
Oh, that's why he wanted key to beta.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, Michael, do you see that? I was talking about that.
I'm not sure if it's possible to in Rover 2, or just
No.
camera seems to don't have proper
here.
colliders.
But I have to say that the physics is much better than before. It's like a drastic change.
Yeah, and we can show the camera, cheat camera that Jonas was so excited about.
Okay, I have broken that. Wow, it's like a
resetting
spider.
don't work on Cybertruck, I think.
Okay,
So be careful.
but I like it. It's cool. It's much better than it was. Almost there. Okay.
Yeah,
Guy, that's cool. That's cool.
I
I really like it. The first version was like because you may not know, but I have tried several different pickups and SUVs, including Nissan Navara, Toyota Hilux, Toyota Land Cruiser, Kia Sportage, Nissan Qashqai, and so I have like Nissan Patrol 2. And I was like, okay, this is like completely unrealistic. It's like a slice all the time, but I see that Dividend made a big, great work here. So
basically it changes. So vehicle now it's always driving like on asphalt.
okay, so that's
So the problem was mainly that the sand is how to say that?
The sand was too slimy.
Maybe that the basic physics for sound is really not playable. Not
Okay, yeah, but I see now it's much better. I'm not saying that it's perfect, but it's much better.
yeah. Right now you don't need any seatbelts since you're not a player inside.
Exactly. Wow, guys. Yeah, there is some ghost there. I mean, nobody's there. It's moving on its own.
I think after a week or so it will be the model there. I know that it's working right
Somebody's working on that. Okay, cool. Because I was a bit afraid that it won't be available in early access, but now it looks like
yes, it's the same for the Roadster. So
okay, guys, now that thing.
but this is broken still, so
This is broken, you say?
yeah, you can need to press about on the seat, but yeah.
Okay.
You can drive it, you can try to drive it, but it's really you can't do anything with that. So.
Okay, no, we have broken another.
No, not really. You try to get out, or it's throw away.
Okay.
Since I know there was 2 bugs that on quad you can die, and probably right now it's fixed. So
again.
maybe it was that.
We don't. Okay. Oh, but it is sliding.
Yeah, it's still need improvements, but. I think the track was fixed first, and now. Yeah, now you can get hit by
With the medic, yeah. Guys. Okay, but the good thing is that track is.
I think this mechanic of damaging like exits needs a bit improvement since.
Exactly.
But yeah.
Let's try one more time.
And I see that it's need a bit checking that is on the ground.
Isn't that it's a bit too fast?
To be honest, I'm not sure how accurate those numbers are. So yeah.
Amazing drifting skills. Maybe the.
I do like.
Wow! What? What's that? Quick load.
It will be. I'm not sure if we'll load this game even, since you don't
not
see
this
that.
one. Not this one. We start again.
Yeah. Or I'm not sure if it's set up to start from the beginning if loading.
Okay. Okay, guys.
Or you break something.
I have broken
load
something.
the game that doesn't exist.
Just give us a moment. We need to switch off the game.
Yeah, there was a bug for that, so.
And we.
So if there isn't any save, game should, or otherwise, game should always save after you land in the capsule at the start. So there is always save to load.
Okay. So we start one more time now, maybe more serious. Exactly. What the testers do? We break the game. We do not break the game. We only achieve that we only explore that the game is broken already. They break the game. The devs. The rockets that have to be manually assembled.
I think we can assemble that, but it won't start right now.
Won't start right now.
Yeah.
So there have been some changes to that.
But I'm not sure about that. There is a reason for the game for this to exist in the game right now, so that's maybe the problem. I know there are rocks for this anti-meteor system, but
Okay.
Otherwise.
So maybe we could start the game, add some explosives. What do you think? Hello, Martians.
Yeah, I think we can look into the explosives. Now everything should be able to explode, and I think the visuals of the explosions are a bit updated, but I'm not sure about that.
Okay, the console is on the
place which we will now see the cheese.
Okay.
But I don't think that's a problem, to be honest, because they can't use it anyway.
Because they have created a smart solution. If you don't have something, then you can't use that.
So the cheats are now loaded outside of the game. You need to put the specific files with cheats in the game so they can work.
Right. Smart of them, right? Actually, you can't flip the rover because the physics of the rover is a bit different. You can't. We've been talking about that today on the daily.
I think you can, but the rover will always go. Will flip itself when you try to.
Okay, wait a minute.
Because there's such event for that.
There were some keys given to the random users because from time to time the PMs of the project let us to give some keys to regular viewers, but those are still the beta keys, and you are not allowed to stream it because the beta is closed, and one of the conditions of the beta is that you agree on the NDA. Oh, you mean those cables? Okay, because this is
this cinematic that is pre-recorded, so.
Okay.
You can see that on the left here. You have those MR packages that aren't in there. Because I think the capsule thematic is updated a bit.
Okay, so I think that those are the ones that you are given at the beginning. Yeah, we can ask the PMs. But like no promises because it's actually not our decision. It depends of also on that how much feedback do we already have. And now we have like a specific timeline and a plan. Yeah, what?
No.
Yeah, so
somewhere.
okay. So one more start.
Yeah, we need to change this menu on the right to disappear faster. Because right now it's
a bit irritating, right?
And don't show it maybe that fast. So.
Okay. Can we start? Wait, I need to. Okay, explosives.
Explosives.
Okay, this is funny. No, open that. Okay, so we find some abandoned base, and then
hope explosive will work on them.
Works, yeah.
I'm almost sure they are working now, but who knows? I wasn't testing it, so.
Me too. I haven't been testing everything, so you know. What do I need for now? Jetpack maybe. Okay, I'll make a save and then we can like fly and look for the things to destroy. I think that's all. So okay, so it's right.
Yeah, and help. I need to click on it.
Yeah.
New cheats.
New cheats. Okay, so I want. Which one do we want to? Yeah, where is that one? Do you want to show everything? Where is that?
Toggle adding panel.
Toggle adding panel. Doesn't work. Not working. Wait.
One.
Oh, okay.
I think that's how it works. Or you misspelled something?
Yeah, I have misspelled.
And delete one right now.
No, wait. Dog. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, guys.
And now we have it.
Now we have it. So we need explosives. We need dynamite. Detonator, one, and dynamite. There's nothing like too much explosives. Okay, and how do we? Okay, we need to switch it off. Okay, guys. This is how it will look in the game. where is the detonator? Okay, it's here. First thing, I'm not sure if it works on
the vehicles.
Yeah, but look, we have. Michael, check it out.
Yeah, that's gonna happen. Don't try to enter it because you will probably fall to the ground.
Okay.
Because there is no set.
Okay, so that.
Sometimes vehicles in this could disappear, but yeah.
Okay.
If they're in load over them. On vehicles, probably not working. Yeah.
Not okay. On the rover, it
on the rover, it should. Yeah.
Okay. So first we save the game. Then we wait. I think we discovered that it works.
You still feel the shock
You should, but I am far away. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. Yippee! Okay. Okay, let's fly.
No, we don't have a rover.
We don't have a rover. This is the Madman mode. Yeah! Look for some base. It should work on the look, abandoned base. It should look, guys. It should work now on the rocks too. So
it should work on everything.
Christmas mode cheat. Is it implemented?
Yeah, there is a cheat for that.
Okay, and what does it do?
It's the cables with Christmas cables.
Oh, Christmas cables.
You can drop the Christmas balls. Yeah. There are subjects, and you have to cheat for the Halloween event. But we will need to add the Halloween update to the beta.
Yeah, that's cool. Would you like that? It doesn't look.
But you can check the HP. It seems that it deals. It have lots of
damage done.
No, because I think the parts of it, you can see that some parts disappear. Try to do it on the.
Okay, here.
Maybe subject is unconnected to. Or I think I too knew what it can go wrong there. But the detection of the point of detection could be.
Okay, shockwave.
Yeah,
okay,
it works.
Works.
But I think the point when it takes damage is a bit strange there in this workshop. There need to be fixes for that.
Okay. Maybe I just go more far away. So we have bases that can only be opened. That could be a cool idea. Guys, look, we have gotten the we got the point in mechanics. No, materials. Mechanics? Some experience.
You don't get it.
Why? We should.
Why?
Because we are destroying things. Has there been a decision about us getting the Halloween pumpkins later this month, next
month. I think we can add it. So, but we need to decide how. Maybe just some items in the inventory. I think you need to. I'm not sure where is the. I think there's those big items have a problem with colliders for explosion. Because I feel like there is probably some specific place that they will take it damage from explosions and other than that. No. Because when you and the items inside don't have it. This need to be fixed too.
But you will check because we have now the wells. Can you switch on the light?
Sure.
Right. Yeah, and we have Aufklärung. Okay. The minus is that we are not getting any.
You don't get resources from that one.
Exactly.
But check the HP of this one.
Okay.
Because I think there are some buildings probably need to be adjusted to the. So you need to add the. Seems like those don't have a script.
Yeah, they don't have 4.
No, I tried to hide the.
Okay. They don't have the script. But the second part, I mean the sub-battery reactor, it has the script.
Yeah.
Okay. Maybe let's go further.
I think someone was lazy by adding those. Because right now we need just to add the script and the option to every building.
Okay, the Dark Spiral you have asked about what kind of a base it is. We actually don't have that set yet, but you will find pieces of plot in the abandoned bases. Maybe some like laptops or tablets with pieces of knowledge, so we can gain some experience from that. It's about to be discussed, but this is the plan.
So I think we will get it because it's basically almost implemented there.
Yeah.
But it will be probably just in EA version of the game because texts aren't ready yet.
How the dynamite can be made? Okay, we need a chemistry tech tree for that, which is not ready yet.
I think we need to change a bit because I don't think chemistry will be ready for early access.
And then dynamite is fun, so.
Yeah.
Okay, another test. Okay, we hide. Whoa! Michael, have you seen that?
I hope. I think those rocks can face.
We need to adjust that.
No flying rocks after that. So
yeah.
You just blow up too much.
Okay, so let's check if 3 are enough.
We don't need to adjust when there is 1,000. So
okay, that's cool. That's actually pretty cool because you need lots of.
Those rocks. When you actually, you could try to use only 2.
Yeah. Okay.
Right now, second one here on this one, just. Yeah, it's faster than drilling. And try to. Okay.
Okay.
So because I think if you just press it 2 times, it could be not just to pick up for the rover. And depending on the damage that you deal.
Okay, that's cool. Man, I just love that. I need
and
I
those
need
are
it.
ready to pick up.
Okay. So yeah, if we had a rover, we could go here and collect that. Okay. Okay, we have a big one here. Let's check it out. Maybe.
Enable cinematic camera.
How did
For the
that work?
explosion.
Okay. Yeah, because this is another thing
but
that
to be honest, I don't remember the cheat for that, and I'm not sure if it's in the country right now.
yeah, it should work. Wait a minute, guys. How was it?
Yeah, blew it up.
I blew it up. I have to.
But I'm not sure the cheat is available in the help. So.
But okay, we have a problem because it didn't. It haven't destroyed that big.
I think it's not all rocks are destroyable right now, so I think that one is just part of the terrain. You can check with your drill if you don't get any information about it's undestroyable.
I'm quite sure that should be.
Yep, I think it's not. If you pick up the drill, you can see it.
Okay. Did you miss the Christmas lights? Not, not yet. Cheats changed. Yeah. Okay. Let me check my cat.
Oh,
no.
Huh.
Okay,
you
so
see
this is the one. The one is very specific. Let's check this right now.
Okay, someone we need to add the script for that rock, I think. Yeah, the
okay.
base part don't work properly.
Yeah. So if anybody watching us, guys, you have some work to do. What about the small one?
They should be just.
Yeah. Okay, but it's completely destroyed.
Yeah.
So it's unusable actually for those. Let's go something. Okay, we have some more rocks there.
You can try with those on the left side. There was
Those?
here.
Oh, okay.
I'm not sure if it worked properly
Ooh.
here, but you can try.
Yo, man, it's like you're challenging me.
Because those seems to be the same as the one that we aren't able to destroy at first.
A very big one. First, let's check if they are. Okay, so we do two tests. First, and now let's go far away. Okay, 25 meters.
Yeah, it seems like those big rocks are need to be fixed there.
Exactly.
And when you just
Michael.
Okay, this rock is broken in a different way too.
Yeah. But this one's...
it's the same rock.
It's the same rock?
It's just teleported after destroying.
Oh no! Oh no!
You will die. We don't have power. Right now we can hide in the capsule and survive the night, but...
Exactly.
It's another thing that changes this build.
So let's go to the capsule. Still have time fly there. The worst thing about flying in the night is that you see nothing. Can we destroy that capsule?
I'm not sure.
Okay, we'll check it out. So okay, we have discussed several things. So new explosives and things that are fixed. Okay, night landing, night landing, guys.
You still have some light.
A very little light, very little light. Whoa, that was close.
This is the part of the rover, right?
That may be. Okay. The rocket kits. We can check them.
Rocket kits? I'm not sure.
You mean the ones for the meteors?
You should be able to close the...
Okay.
Or not. Oh yeah.
It works.
And now it works like normal buildings. And you can sleep here? Or no? No, it's not ready yet. Because we will be adding options to sleep here. Just a very uncomfortable sleep.
But you know what I can do? I can repair the over.
Yeah, but it won't. Right now it's.
I think it's.
It will work, but repairing rover needs a rework. Because right now it's so. It sometimes can don't work properly, and
it definitely won't
it's
work.
It's just too simple mechanic, right? We need to change to something more realistic, I guess.
Yeah, but it looks like we have circuit board damaged.
Yep.
But can we survive here? We don't have enough water. Cabin area, and this is something what we are actually. We thought it's in that build, but it's not. But something like that will be available. Solid rocket kit A and B. Michael, know anything about that?
Oh, I know what that's. So the building rockets from the like spotting and.
Okay.
I don't think it's ready yet, but I think one rocket can be built, but the other one is not.
But these are the rockets for the colonists, or
no, those small ones that you can shoot and have, and one is for the meteor defense system, and the other have no use right now.
Okay, but can you actually build them, or they don't have mechanics?
I don't know. It's possible that you can, but if it's beatable, then it should be added in the recent build, since I know that it wasn't possible to build them a while ago. So I'm not sure if it's already ready in this build. Yeah, it's dark. It's still 7 there.
Too early. Wait a minute.
Yeah.
Okay, what else have we changed? Let me just check. Okay, guys. So we have what Piotrek said. Okay, so cinematic free play, a longer small crusher. Okay.
Oh, yeah. That's a change we can show it.
Okay, we try.
So it's just a model change, but
easier to get there. But
so right now you can park on the crusher.
Okay. Particle of explosives. Yeah, we have shown that. New capsule with the light and the.
I think there isn't new capsule in this build, but because
we can sleep here.
The capsule changed a bit. So
Okay, but we can check it. Just save the game. Thank you, Robert, for appreciation. Okay. Rover bed fold up for jump seats for multiplayer? Maybe.
But Rover is right now very problematic for multiplayer. So we will see how it will work if we made it.
How do we... wait a minute. Minus.
Rover is the only... It should have... yeah.
Okay, yes. So we have oxygen here and the light. So it's partially fine. So
there will be a bit change in this model of the capsule because we are adding the printer here too.
Okay. So the printer will be somewhere like here?
I'm not sure where. Maybe instead of those cabins, shelves.
Michael, the question, because as we see that the rover...
it's after repairing.
After repairing, okay.
That breaks. So if we
circuit board C. Okay, guys, we just add this one and or we could actually repair that. That's the workshop.
Yeah.
It works.
Repairing boards?
Yeah.
Works.
It works? Okay, so we will repair that.
It was working a long time ago.
Okay.
It will be a bit reworked how it works right now, but it depends on our designers. And they already said that this mechanic is too annoying, it should be reworked.
Yeah. A question about release date in 2022. No. We haven't said anything about that. If we change it, then we will let you know. And if we change
it... So we will do official information soon enough, I think.
Exactly.
But information need to be officially put there.
Okay, so we create the base, we build the workshop, then we build the workbench, and okay. So first here. Okay, guys, very quick. A nice suggestion that is it actually possible that you have time for that? I haven't taken all the things. Sorry.
Or you leave them in the destroyed rover.
That wouldn't be too good.
But I think they will still be there. But
yeah, so the rover blew up, but the stuff is still here. I think you can't destroy those. Yeah, we have workbench and all of the stuff here. Have we repaired any circuit boards already?
Well, I think some students ago was repairing that. So.
Okay. Yeah, in our Steam page says planned release date is 2022. As we said, we haven't changed it so far. Cool. So let's build a base very fast, because we don't want to today we are not showing you how to build the base or something. It's on the other streams, but we want to show new things like working workbench, because there were some problems with that, as you can remember.
Works.
Yeah, that works. It works. Sometimes it works, sometimes it does not.
So So it's almost always works unless you die on it, or there was a problem that after saving the game, you get a different board than you're repairing. But overall, it works.
Okay. Yeah, there was discussion also on the last stream if we can remove in one of the tracks if we can remove the remove the rover and make player use like repair that or collect parts of it, and there were very divided opinions about it
because right now we try to make that the early experience of the game is not so overwhelming. When someone starts the free play right now, he have tons of buildings, resources, tools, and have no idea what to do with them. So we need the way to slowly introduce a new player to the game.
Okay, we haven't. I see.
Yeah, rover is your lifeline, and we try to make so that rover will be available in the maybe after 2 hours of gameplay, and before that you will have this capsule that will allow you to survive inside for a day or for a couple of days, and you will need to get the rover somehow, maybe repair something in it, or we're still discussing how it will work.
And nothing is set up yet because maybe there will be like 2 tribes of the game.
I think the current options will still be in the game those starting months. Maybe a bit adjusted with the amount of resources you get.
A harder level.
And but first, I think when you first launching the game, you will need to do some introduction, right? Maybe those introduction missions there.
Yeah, because it's
there will be some introduction missions for starting game that will be more user friendly.
Exactly. I suppose, Mzmadi, you have seen the same thing as I did, meaning the ghosts are green, although you can't build something because it's too close. Yeah, okay, so yeah, great minds think alike. Yeah, but generally the direction in which we want to go now is something that Michael described. Because we see that like people like you, our community, people who played the prologue and are in the game, are with us for a longer time, they don't have problems with starting the game. The problem is with the new people who are like a bit intimidated by the possibilities of the game.
Basically, right now there will be in early access there will be some beginning of the campaign that will help too. But right now, when you launch early access for the first time, you have no idea what's going on,
exactly.
And you have no idea what are those tools are. You have no idea what to do.
Also, we want to rework the tutorials to make them more friendly. Guys, if you just only could see the face of Maciek, who is the PM of the Mars, and he sees that 22 or 21 pages of feedback about tutorials that I gave him. It was like, okay, it's like a bit detailed, but
but I think right now there is a document for working tutorials ready.
So it will be changed a bit. Okay, I screwed up because I see that.
No, you can on the other side.
Yeah, I know, but it's like it ruins my Tai Chi. It's like. No, it doesn't feel right.
Yeah,
because I start always from that place. Okay. No, why have I done that? Why have I complicated it? And the ramp, yeah. And now we should be able to, like, we have water, we have energy. I just want to add the bigger battery.
We the crusher to here, so we will see the changes.
We can also show upgrades. Grinder, drill.
Grinder, I think.
Grinder. Electricity for that's solid. I like it. Material.
The guy in Copper Electricity is now
yeah.
too fast. But
yeah. Definitely.
Yeah, but we are still waiting for the changes in the text before fixing that things.
Okay. And the crusher. Wait a minute. Crusher. Oh, whoa. What is that?
It's just putting it maybe it's something with the location there, but so the starting.
Okay, so the problem is that the ghost doesn't want to be red.
Yeah, you could get down a bit, I think.
Whoa!
Yeah.
Now it works.
Oh, I know what is it. After building, the ghost is on the different level than the actual building.
Okay.
So this needs to be fixed.
Wee. Bomb. Okay, guys. Now the game is not too dark. It depends on the hour, actually. We can make it. I think there is a adjusting the gamma. We should have that.
I'm not sure we have. To be honest.
I thought we have surface.
No, I don't think
we don't have that yet.
But I think we could add lighting options.
There is a task or there is a bug for that, that we don't have it, or to do that. I'm quite sure. The great new crusher.
Yeah, you can park on it right now. So.
Yeah. Okay, so it's much longer. Okay, what did I want to do? I wanted to build a battery upgrade, battery pack. No, not this one. Not this one. This one. And the workshop soon. But I see that I need to go to the rover again. Did we fix the arrows? Yeah, I suppose we did.
Yeah, arrows are fixed.
Exactly.
But we won't be able to show the crusher working because
we will just fix it in the moment.
No, we don't have the keeper now.
Oh right, unless I build a big crusher using tricks.
Yeah, that's the problem.
And that could work. That actually could
that's
work.
why we need to change this one to this strength rover, because right now if even if a player repair the rover, they lost the tipper and aren't able to replace it.
Right. Okay. We can't move it.
Yeah, you can find somewhere in those street bases there are sometimes. So, we are looking at, I think, on the last stream for them.
Mm-hmm.
You were looking for the
for the resources.
different how to call that? For the rover, those
different
tanks and so.
So then I need a big crusher.
Sometimes you need to find them in the destroyed base.
Okay. But we tried it last time and it didn't work.
I watched the stream and you looked at the wrong place, but...
Wrong place, you say?
It have about 50% chance of spawning the base in the mountains and smaller chance in the normal.
Okay. I believe your word. Okay, guys, so I suppose we have enough energy to leave. So now we go inside. Badum badum. Opens. It opens. It workings. Okay, so now we build. Where is it? Where is it? Workbench. 4. Okay, so first thing we'd like to do is to.
Oh, this board is totally destroyed.
Yeah.
It will take a while.
We have time. we still have time.
So you can show the tool at the beginning right now.
Okay.
And
I'll just check one thing. Okay. Oh, well, now we don't see chat. Okay, and now we can. Oh, Michael.
It's okay, you just put it new, and the whole board is destroyed. So yeah.
Okay.
Turns out that
I need controls here. I completely don't remember.
So first you need to pick up the solder, but I don't remember it. Hotter first on the,
no, the first hotter.
The solder. I will hide this. Okay, I can't hide it right here, but yeah, because so many is distracting here.
You don't see if it's ready or not, so it's a bug. Sorry guys, I haven't thought it would take so much time.
Yeah. 3 hours of repairing more. So this mechanic is old right now. It's from the almost beginning of the development, and it needs an upgrade.
Some upgrade.
At least to make it more user friendly, but. And don't make that you need to repair the old boards. You need to get out of the workbench escape, and then you can could hide it. Yeah. For some reason it doesn't work on workbench. And there won't be any aliens in the game, at least for now. We try to be as much hard sci-fi as possible.
So, like the highest level is
but maybe someday some alien DLC that will be more for fun than for simulating.
Or you will see a wild drunken.
Yeah, I was thinking about something that it was done for. How it's called, Blue Dragon DLC for Far Cry 3.
Oh, I haven't played that.
So Far Cry 3 is more serious game, and DLC was just having fun and exploring everything.
Okay, the question: does the printer print those parts, or they are limited? You mean the things, the parts of the circuit boards are unlimited, I suppose?
Yeah, right now they are unlimited. You can you can replace them forever.
Yeah, but actually there is an idea that circuit boards are limited. You can print them. you get some of them at the beginning, and you need to actually collect them.
Yeah, for the beginning of the game, you need to collect every circuit board from the
and you can't
somewhere.
And you can't build without them. So basically,
you can build, but buildings will start without the circuit boards inside. So you need to put the circuit boards inside the building to make it work. And the idea is that in early game you will need to, for example, sometimes take out the circuit board from the battery to put it somewhere that you need it.
Print parts of. The problem is with those is that I don't think you would be able to print them on the Mars, because now, for example, to building a semiconductor factory is like, I don't know, 10, 12 billions of dollars, and it's very advanced process.
The future.
Yeah. Okay. So maybe
there you can print the whole buildings here, basically.
That's the idea because first it makes people.
So we will see. To be honest, we will see what our designers say about that idea. Because Workbench, I know that Workbench will at least have some adjustments to make it more fun to play. And maybe it will be more bigger reward there.
Because we know that it may be in some moment boring, but on the other hand we realize that.
So for example, right now it shouldn't be that you need to repair the whole board at the same time, because it's just take you about 20 minutes.
So maybe it's not the thing.
Really unengaging right now.
Exactly, or I don't know, it could be limited to only the most important and biggest buildings, like, I don't know, maybe the HQ, workshop, greenhouse, maybe the hangar, because it gives you the motivation to search abandoned bases for those things, and
it creates another loop to make your base bigger.
Micro mechanics, because
later we plan to add the technology to
print them.
So in late gameplay you will be able to build as bigger base as he imagined.
Because for example, in the rover mechanic simulator, you could print the whole circuit board, or just repair it. It was the case whether you want to, whether you have resources, or you want to spare time, or you want to.
There is an idea tool for auto repairing. Some kind, but this is the idea of have different versions of that. So there is some, for example, the NPC that will repair for it.
Okay, so we have some ideas to improve it, because now you don't need to use Workbench. You can just basically, for example, you have a broken board in somewhere, so you build the same building.
That should be the case.
And it's like maybe not a cheat, but it's an exploit.
I think just the building should need to build the building. You need to have a board in your inventory at least.
Okay, I can do that automatically, Michael. You need
to throw everything away by hand.
So maybe the technology is for doing that automatically, like cleaning or something. When there will be pizza, if anybody listens to us, people demand pizza. Panem at how was it?
We look at if there is some info about that.
But we have sweets. We also, guys, have a short movie for you, which was created by Conrad, which shows the this is used cheat for the free camera, and we want to add it to the game, maybe like in a photo mode or something like that. Oh yeah, slammed the board on the table. That could be cool. Yeah, there is a nice channel on the YouTube by the Polish guy Daniel Rakowiecki, and he repairs everything basically. He repairs basically everything. So, okay, radiator, no. On the spot. Now I need that and the same. What more do I need, Michael?
You see it. You can just try to pick it up everything. If you can pick it up, that it means that it's on the board. Since you can't pick it up the parts that you haven't.
Yeah, but okay. These two I have. That one I have.
On the left side, you have those parts here.
Okay.
Oh, I see that there is this filter on the camera is not showing properly.
Which filter?
On the right, it should be more visible to the ghosts of the items.
Oh,
because
okay.
You see the ghost there, but
it's not working properly.
No,
okay.
there should be probably there was some changing in the lightings.
I think those.
Yeah,
okay.
no, those are. Those are. Here you have. Here, see.
Okay. Oh, right.
You can rotate a bit.
That's okay.
Q and A.
Q and A.
Q and E. Yeah.
Okay. What more? Those small weird things. Okay. It should be here, and another one here. Okay. What more? Okay, what more? Okay.
Yeah, but because right now we have no incentive to repair the board, basically. And it's usually so much work to repair one that you don't want to do this in the game because you have unlimited boards right now.
Exactly. Okay, and so now we have the soldering station and we have solder tool and we are basically fixing.
Yeah, I can see that the UI of the waiting with this waiting is disappearing for some reason.
Okay. I can't move. Okay, so if I move the cursor, it stops solder. Will you need to repair board in campaign? At least one, I can say.
Yeah,
at least one.
And normally in the gameplay you will need to.
Yeah.
So yeah. So you will have tutorials of the repairing similar to the prologue.
But you may remember that in the prologue, it's like it's not completely destroyed. Now it was because we completely destroyed the rover. But yeah, I think that we could if we introduce the mechanic with the okay.
We can't tell you more about campaign. Sorry.
Yeah, unfortunately we can't. There will be one, but we can't tell more. We want to make it, dramatic. We want to be like Hitchcock,
Yeah. And I'm not sure how much of campaign will be available at the start of the game, but start from early access.
Yeah.
Because we don't want to show those super broken parts of the campaign that we know that they don't work yet.
Because you may not, because we once were talking that we had something like the campaign a long time ago, and it was so broken that we couldn't finish.
Yeah, the first parts. At the start of the. So I think there was an idea, at least when I was starting working here, there was the idea that we won't have any free play, just the campaign.
Yeah.
But because free play don't work and there wasn't a tech tree, you just get every building you have and just you can just go around and build it, and that's it. And you have one type of rocks to destroy.
A long time ago, and that was completely different game.
Free play was unplayable there. And so there was an idea, just make the campaign, and the campaign will be the only thing in the game. And right now we have like the different situations. So free play works right now fine, and the campaign is still work in progress.
But we decided we need something that guides new players, so which introduces them into the game.
Yeah.
Okay, I haven't fixed an. How many minutes did you say? 20 minutes? Oh no, you said 3 hours. Maybe not that long, but.
Yeah, 20 minutes takes. About.
But the whole circuit board.
Yeah.
Oh man.
You get there. It's more done than.
None. Okay.
Yeah.
I could use the wheel here because I don't know whether it's ready or not. Good learning and testing. The good thing is that it works. The bad thing is that we haven't tested that. Yeah, so it's like testing on production, guys. You never know what happens. Do you not use explosives? Actually, I screwed up again because I could remove it before and then destroy the rover. We wouldn't have also anything to do today. See, we have shown you the latest changes. There are lots more changes that you can't see because there are like more changing of mechanics, changing of balance, the design things, and they will be available.
And I think the bugs are fixing by one person.
We had the bug fixing team is working very hard, but you actually how to show that the game does not crash. Okay, you can see that the game does not crash, right? It's much better.
Do we have some purple builds? I don't think we have. Maybe somewhere we have them, but
somewhere we don't know.
Maybe on some disk. I can always try to build the game pre-prologue with some ancient
builds.
Coming, but I'm not sure it will work since the more changes you make to the repository, the more things can break.
Exactly. We have two questions. Where do you get soil from? You use the silicon, I suppose.
On the how is this building called?
Composter.
Yeah, composter.
Use silicon in the composter. And are we thinking of making other rover items to hook to? Sure, maybe. Maybe.
I don't understand this question, I think.
If you find some old build, please give it to me. Okay, generally the prologue is based on the very old build. I think
other trailers or
other trailers?
First you need to find them in the street basis, and when you have access to the bigger crusher, with the printer you can print them too.
We can actually use the cheat and show it.
Yeah, we can.
Okay. There is one more thing that we have broken. It's
our caravan, like hook to the end of the another. That's not available, but that's a good idea.
I mean,
to make the rover caravan.
Okay. Okay, that is tricky.
This is the most annoying thing to do here.
I hate it. I hate it completely, guys. I had so
we tried to fix the working of this so many times. I think it will need bigger work.
Okay.
Because it shouldn't work like that. I try to rotate the board a bit. It should be easier there. Because I think it's a problem of the scale of the board here.
That would be funny if we fix everything and we can't fix that.
I think if you try to rotate enough and try to move there, you will get that. But you first need to be the green, and then you move.
Should I? Maybe.
No, it won't work like that. But then no trade.
Shouldn't I use the hotter? Yeah. Okay.
No. You're using good tool, but
okay. So grab this one.
Okay, I think this is something. Yeah, no, this.
Shift is to.
Yeah, I know.
Precise movement.
It's something really. Or you get.
Maybe the hotter.
It's 100%, but okay. There's something wrong with this board, I think, because...
Or the collider.
Yeah, the collider here. Because it's getting in the wrong place, it's getting green.
Jimmy, so actually that were us.
That's... Okay, first we try to fix this one. Then
I think those should work.
I think it's something wrong with overall this, but yeah. Okay, and now go back maybe. Okay, right now and.
It worked when we. So we need to grab a new one using cheats.
Imagine that we operate. Come on.
Oh,
yeah.
Okay. Michael is coming. That okay.
Finally.
That's cool, man. So the power of being deaf, and now the last of the tools.
It's a screwdriver pickup.
Okay, yeah, screwdriver, and I meant that.
And I think right now we won't be using screwdriver, so we need to remove it from here.
Yeah, okay.
I mean from workbench, because it was meant to be used for repairing the tablets you can find in the story bases. But
Okay.
right now we change a bit the design of those. They won't need repair anymore.
Wrong tool?
Do you use wait?
Yeah, this
Yeah,
one.
rotate a bit. Maybe. Yeah. You probably click on the wrong place there and
Okay,
something
so
wrong with the colliders. In old campaign there wasn't much story, to be honest. It's some parts of the story are the same as in the new campaign, so I can't tell about them. But the old campaign was similar to the, I think the. So
Martian
first, no, maybe the Martian.
Okay.
Just go there, do something, go there, do something, the whole way. Just the quest, even without the story.
Okay, Michael, we have probably another bug here because we have checked. Look, we are checking this one, and yeah, that one is showing. Guys, we have it repaired. Wow! How about the stream
Okay,
for
if
that?
someone is there, we need to ban someone from the YouTube channel.
Okay. Give me that one.
So,
Wait a minute. Okay. No, we are not making any spoilers to the plot. Hydration. We used so much time.
yeah, that's the problem with the workbench right now. Too. You can die on it just by repairing it. You don't see the.
You don't see that.
But
The story of the old campaign. We can't do that. We have NDA. Sorry, guys. Okay. So one more thing. Yeah, workings. Okay, guys. So we will add a big. Whoa, dirty. We will add a big crusher here.
Smaller.
Yeah. Good. Sorry. Sorry for the choice. Inappropriate. Very much inappropriate. Almost died. So this is the 22nd dumb way to die on Mars.
Yeah, dying from first way repairing to
Exactly. And we need to sleep a bit, or we will die too.
Not really. It won't kill you too.
It won't kill us?
Yeah, you just will have lower and lower stamina.
You promise?
Available, but yeah.
Okay, so we used the cheat last time today, and we will
use the same cheat.
Yeah,
basically.
meaning toggle.
You can see that it's helping you.
Fun, okay.
And you probably
So it should be like big crusher. How it's called?
big shredder, I think.
Big shredder. Big rock. Maybe big rock.
No, I don't think so.
Small.
Maybe,
Yeah,
maybe what's
maybe.
strange if it's called like that. Yes.
Okay, this is what this one. Okay. One more
think
thing.
it's broken. The opening is broken. The green ready.
Wow.
Ooh, hello guys.
Hello.
Special delivery. Guess what it is? I have a little
put it
quiz.
down a bit. I think the red changing to red is broken process.
Can I have your attention, please?
Okay,
To
wait
the
a minute.
smell of pizza.
Okay, guys. So now we a very small break, but we will give you something to enjoy while we eat, because we have.
Okay. Can I say a few words about that?
Yeah, I think
Guys,
we can.
we have.
Yes.
I love. Hi guys. I love the new cheat console. It gives us a new possibilities for new cheats and so on. And one of new cheats is a free camera. I totally love that. That is awesome. And that shows the planet and terrains and the Mars itself in Occupy Mars in a new way. I love that. New angles of taking shots. Especially it's sweet for the marketing purpose, but for content, for social media, and yeah, that looks beautiful. I tested a little bit this week and edit a video with the Mars track. Make sure that it goes with music.
Okay, but I just want to. Okay, maybe in a different.
Yeah, but it will play when you change scene.
Okay. So, give me 1 moment.
Okay, so guys, enjoy this and
No.
Okay, you know what? Change scene.
Okay.
Yeah. Because this is the matter of the resolution, you know? It's in
Okay,
4K or 4K, so you just have to change the resolution of that. Yeah. Okay, so enjoy guys and let me know what do you think about content like this.
Okay. Micro, can you hear us?
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
And the music from
So
the
Konrad
game.
would like to say a few words about the clip.
Yeah, it's just the beginning, just a draft of footage from the quad. But guys, you can now see and can imagine what possibilities it gives us, and it shows all the planet from other perspective. I think it shows its beauty even more than the perspective of the player. It's amazing because when you are a player and you stand in a huge crater, you can't really realize how huge is it, and having this free camera and taking a wide angle from the wide perspective. It's just sweet, beautiful. I love those views and this footage. We will record more of that, and I hope in every stream we can show you some new footage. But additionally, what could be important for you as a player is that we have Ingenuity Copter in our game. It's not fully functional for now, but we have a model, we have a basic flying, and the idea is to put the camera there also for the players. So you could take the footage like that. I'm not sure about the possibility of, for now, connecting the possibility of driving the vehicle and driving the Ingenuity Copter at the same time. But it's all up to the programmers. Ask Michał about that. I'm pretty excited about that new cheat, and about the possibility of seeing the beauty of Mars from that perspective. That would be all. And hope to deliver you more of the footage like this in the future.
As you can see, we are adding more and more options to the game for your pleasure soon, we hope. And what's more, if you want Konrad to make more trailers like that, just let us know. I think he will do that anyway, so okay.
Yeah.
But because they are very cool, and I think we all enjoy the possibility to do that here. And I think that could be one of the things that we would like to give you the opportunity to use.
Okay, guys, love it. Fatus, thanks for that. And I think you can continue the stream, and I can continue bringing you pizza.
Okay, if
more pizza for you guys.
Okay. Okay, thanks for now. Okay, guys, so we have last thing to do today, meaning
Something wrong with the
Okay, I will just do one more thing. Kilo power, exactly. Music too loud, okay.
music from Vitalis.
Okay. And
More pizza.
mushrooms.
Sorry, guys.
Try turning off the video. Maybe something's fake, but
Okay. One piece for viewers. Take it, guys. Okay. Have fun.
Now it's okay. Now it should be fine. Okay, because we have added that here too. Okay. It should be fine now. Started. Okay, guys. So let's add the kilopower reactor at the beginning. Because it's
no, it was near.
Next to the electricity. Okay, here. Okay, and now I need to switch off the wait.
Yeah, you just did the build with this.
Okay. Okay. Douglas Raycast key. It was to build immediately was this one. Michael doesn't work. Quad key and press one of the keys below the box. Okay. Christmas.
F1. It's
F1?
called build and, yeah.
Quick beard. Okay. Yeah, it's because it's. Okay, now we need cable. Okay, and we still need to add some resources. And where is our rover?
I think you are in the soft lock without cheats, because even if you can build it, you still need to put resources in it to bring the...
I will do that just in a moment. Transporter, you asked why is it dancing, because while I need to press D to enable cheats, and this causes like a model to move.
Don't tell them the shortcut.
Okay. They can't use it.
Yeah.
So.
Right now it's safer, so...
Okay.
So a free camera is now only usable from cheats, so... but Ingenuity should be working someday. I wasn't testing recently. I know that there was some back fixing team, so there was some changes there. But I'm not sure how it's working right now.
Last time I checked, it didn't work too good.
Yeah.
But it works quite fine with the pad.
And that's for camera. It's actually idea that we could make the vehicle cinematic view camera available, so you can change the view for more cinematic one, but it will take time to do and probably not in the near future.
Okay, guys. So now we should be able to print it.
You need to unlock textures first.
Okay. Container.
Container and tanks.
I think we could be actually able to unlock them.
Yeah, it's
Yeah, and ta-da! Done and done, guys. What should we? Okay, we print one tank, one container, and one tipper. Okay. We will get the new camera mode in the next build, as Michael said.
Yeah, I was
okay.
answering this question too. You can check the building on the right. I think that wasn't show the time, but in product it works the same. So how the printer works on the crusher. You can press escape and show on the right.
Oh, yeah. It's in the same as in prologue. But we can also use that one.
It's have updated the UI, I think, from the prologue.
Yeah, it works. It's cool. I will hide because it's not in the straight line. And there's a problem with that. And I'll show you just in a moment. It doesn't work. Okay, I can't do that yet. Oh, okay, I'm here. Okay, now we should be able to okay, so it's so heavy. Now we stop.
And what do you want to do?
I think sometimes it does not. You can't start. No, it works. Maybe it's only when you save and load. Okay, but let's. I don't know. Maybe let's check another one.
Yeah, you can put oxygen, water, and
methane. Yeah. Because it's like, for example, you
can build base somewhere when you don't have water spot.
Or you actually, it doesn't have to be the base. It can be just a water spot. So you have the.
Or you water spot can run out of water, and you will need to do something about that.
Exactly. Then you can build that building. I will show you. This one, horizontal tank, and you can store in that the water, which you can bring to the base using that one.
Yeah, some robot that will drive from the one part of the one base to another, to just transferring water with.
That's cool. We are thinking about that.
Yeah.
For NPC.
Recently, I was playing Satisfactory a bit.
Okay.
And that was so satisfying to make something work there.
Like a young NPC, there is a new guy, astronaut, who comes here, the Martian, he says, you will do that for the rest of your life, just bringing water to the base.
Yeah.
But if you need to change it, you can either remove it. Whoa, that was big. Remove it on your own, like a traditional tipper, or go here and use that panel and remove that one. For example, use the container here. Okay, guys, something big for the end of the stream. Because we have 6 more minutes, so maybe we can blow something up.
Maybe our base?
All the base, okay, Michael is my man. Okay. But do we have enough?
I think you put it in the rover.
Yeah, in the rover, exactly. It's almost 300 of them, so I think that's completely.
With all of them.
Yeah.
But I think there is a limit.
I know, unfortunately there is one. Okay.
Because explosions eventually make some weird things with physics. No? After
Can we break the physics of the game?
Unity is quite easy. Going through the colliders for some reason.
It's almost the night, so that will be one nice big explosion.
But I see the limit isn't small, or there is no limit right now, because we're getting lots of explosions.
Exactly. No, it's like for the end of the stream. Okay, guys, so we go somewhere high and wait a moment for the night. We have to be very careful not to click it. And there is night coming.
You have sleep deprivation, so the stamina regeneration is lower.
But it's still worse.
Base to the space.
Base to the base to the space, yeah. Okay, guys. Do we wait more, or it's like it's go now? Whoa. Okay, so guys, thank you for today's stream. It was a pleasure to talk with you.
You can disable this.
Yeah.
So UI, so there will be better view.
Oh, right. But
Because there's lots of them.
no, I'm a bit afraid that if I press escape, it will.
Okay.
Okay, so it's the night is coming. So one more time, thank you guys for being today with us. Yeah, happy New Year, happy Halloween. Have a good time, and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.
See ya.
Whoa. Okay.
Okay, sorry, bro.
Something is broken. Bye bye. Thank you for the stream. Okay.